Students, today in this class we learned creating table in MySQL. So how we can create a table in MySQL, today we learned. So to create a table in MySQL we use create command. When a table is created, its column name, data types and size are supplied for each column, and each table must have at least one column. So what is the syntax to create table in MySQL? Create table, table name. So whatever table name we want to give, we can give here. Then column name, it means whatever field name, its type and size. So here we create a table, create table employee. It has 4 field: e code, which is the integer, e name, which is a character, designation, which is a character, and salary, which is a integer. So after using this command, table will be created as a name of employee. So now we learn how we can create table in MySQL. So first we start the MySQL, then here I write the command create table employee. First I use e code, and e code is integer. Then e name is a character, size is 20. Then designation, and it is also character and its size is 20. And last is comma, and last is salary, and it is also a integer, and I use go. So table is created. So after the creation of table, we can insert the record in a existing table. So our next topic is inserting data into table. So to insert record in a table, we use insert command. So what is syntax of insert command? It is insert into table name. So insert into our table name is employee, then values, and whatever the values you want to insert. Like in this record, I use e code 101, e name, manager, and salary is 8,000. So we insert this record in MySQL. So I write the command insert into our table name, values 101, name Ram. Whatever field is character, it will be right in the single quotes. Then our designation is manager and salary is 8,000. So I insert this record. The record is successfully inserted. One row inserted. Same. Once again we can insert another row. So insert into values. I write 102. Name is Ajay, and its post is designation is clerk, and salary is 4,000. So let's go, and again one row is inserted. So whenever we click here on table name, its record will be displayed 101 Ram manager and 102 Ajay clerk, and salary is 4,000. So we can also insert null value. So to insert null value in a specific column, we can type null without quotes, and null will be inserted in that column. So in an example, we don't want to salary of that person right now. So to do this, we cannot leave with this field, but we have to write null keyword. So how we can use this? So we insert another record, insert into employee, values, and 103, name is Vijay and designation is clerk, and we don't want to enter salary. So that time we cannot leave this field, we have to write here null. So null, after inserting null value, so one row is inserted. So when we look at the table, so its salary is null. So we cannot leave this blank. We have to write null keyword for inserting null value. Then inserting date value. So date are default entered in YYMMDD format. First 4-digit display year followed by hyphen sign or minus sign, then followed by 2 digits of month followed by hyphen sign or minus sign, and 2-digit day for day, and all these enclosed in a single quotes like this. If we have date field mentioned in our table, then we can insert date like this. So today we learned how we can create a table and how we can insert new record and how we can insert null value in our table. Now whenever we want to insert record in a table, so every time our field sequence is important, like 104 is our first field, then our second field is name, which I write here Amit, and third field is for designation, which is a manager, and salary is 4000. So sequence is must, but in that case if you forgot the table sequence, then we can also insert the new record in a table like this way. After the table name, here we have to give our sequence, like I write ename first, then ecode second, then salary, then designation. Values, then our new sequence is this, so we will insert values according to new sequence. So ename is Amit, ecode is 104, then salary is 8000, and designation is manager. So record will be inserted. So we can create our own sequence of fields, then new record is inserted in the table.